Hey guys, if you're looking for how you can run C and C++ programs in your favorite Visual Studio Code, then you're in the right place. I'm about to show you step-by-step process to configure Visual Studio Code for running C and C++ programs correctly. I understand that as a beginner you might be overwhelmed with thousands of study resources online that can be consuming your precious time, but don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you exactly how you can run C and C++ programs in Visual Studio Code on a Mac machine with the help of just two commands. So without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we have need to download and install the C++ compiler. Best suited for our job is Mingw. To download it, let's quickly open up the terminal by pressing Command plus space and write terminal in the search bar and then hit enter. Now copy this command. You can find this command in the video description and paste it into the terminal and then hit enter. Type your password and then press enter again. This command will automatically download and install Homebrew. It will take some time to complete. Now we have to install the Mingw by using the second command. Copy the second command and paste it into the terminal and then hit enter. Again, it will take some time to complete. You can see the progress bar of the installation in the terminal. We have now successfully installed Mingw compiler on our Mac machine. Now let's write some basic C++ program in the Visual Studio Code for testing. You can open the Visual Studio Code by pressing Command plus space and write Visual Studio here and then press enter. Now we need to install Code Runner extension in the Visual Studio Code. Press this button in the search bar, type Code Runner and choose the first option. Now press on this green install button. To run the code, press Command Alt N, or you can press F1 and then type run code. To stop the code from running, you can type Command Alt M or press F1, type stop code run. Okay, now let's create a simple test program. I'll write subscribe.cpp here and click on save. Let's save this program by pressing File and then press Save. Now press Command Alt N to run the program. See, subscribe to tech decode now is printed here. Let's create another program which takes input from the user. For that, click on File, then click on New File and then select Text Editor. Now click on Save As. We'll name this file input program.cpp and then click on Save. Okay, here I'm writing the code for the program that asks the user for its first name and last name and finally prints full name of the user back to the output console. So our code is running, but we are not able to input our first name here. So this is the problem. We can solve this problem by clicking on code, then select preference, then select settings. Type run in terminal here and then press enter. Okay, scroll down a little bit and select code runner run in terminal and check this box and cancel the settings and return back to our program. Now run the code by pressing Command Alt N. Let me type my first name here, now the last name, and now you can see my full name is printed here. So this is how you can run C++ program in Visual Studio Code. If you are interested in learning more about C++ language, then be sure to check out our beginner C++ code at the first link in the description. Subscribe and turn on the notifications so that you don't miss more videos helping you to learn how to code and become a successful programmer. And I'll see you in the next video.